Getting these 2,000 watch hours on YouTube might sound like a far-off dream, especially when you are just starting or you are just a beginner on YouTube. I remember staring at my analytics dashboard, refreshing it like every single day, and hoping that the blue bar would creep up like, more. At first, it felt like impossible, but here is the truth. If I could reach my 2,000 watch hours with no viral videos, no fancy gears, no money spent on ads, trust me, you too can. So in this video, I'm not only going to share the exact steps I took to hit my 2,000 watch hours, but also the mistakes I made that almost kept me stuck at under 200 watch hours. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will walk away with a proven strategy that small YouTubers like you can actually use. And I promise you, there will be no fluffy motivation. Just, I'm going to reveal everything, every practical steps that you need to know. Now, before I dive into the strategy, let's talk about why YouTube watch hours even matters. Yes, so YouTube has two big requirements for monetization, which is your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So the subscriber count sounds hard, but honestly, it is the watch hour that most small creators struggle with. You could have your 1,000 subscribers, but if no one is watching your videos long enough, you won't get monetized. So when I first started, I thought if I uploaded more videos, my watch hours would magically increase, but that was wrong. I had over 50 videos and barely 150 watch hours. That was when I realized that watch hours aren't about quantity of upload. They're about quality of viewing time. So this video is my journey. How I went from being stuck to building up 2,000 watch hours and more. Do you understand? I've gotten over 2,000 watch hours. So the mindset shifts I heard and the strategies that worked, I'm going to share everything in here. So if you look at my the screenshot I'm going to drop, you're going to see everything about my channel and how everything played out. So let's start with the foundation, guys, which is the content strategy. Now, when I began, I started uploading random videos. So one day it was like, sometimes I will post vlog, the next day I'll post reaction videos, then the next day tutorials. But guess what? None of them connected with the same audience. My channel was just so confusing, like it was confusing the algorithm. So the breakdown or the breakthrough for me came when I asked myself, guy, what exactly am I making, or who exactly am I even making this video for? Am I making it for myself or for my audience? Like, that was when it dawned on me. That was when I realized I'm speaking to small YouTubers like me. So people who want to grow their channels. And once I committed to that niche, once the moment I stick to a particular niche, things changed around for me. Guys, a round of applause for me, Joe. So here is what I did. First of all, I analyzed my top 3 performing videos. And these were videos about YouTube tips. Sometimes I also post storytellings and all of that. You understand? And that, in fact, I doubled down on that content. So every upload was now focused on storytelling, no distraction. So I built series around my storytelling channel. For example, I post village folktale stories, I post city lives, and more of that. And they were all intriguing. So this created consistency and bingeability. When people watch one of my videos, they naturally want to see more. So that is it. So stop guessing what works. Open your analytics. Check which video gets the most watch time and make more of that. Okay, so that is just it. Now, if you look at this screenshot here, you're going to see my analytics. You're going to see my studio, my analytics, my top videos that really got me that 2,000 watch hours. I'm going to paste it here. So this second thing I did was okay, let's talk about the engine of watch hours, guys, which is your audience retention. Now, watch time isn't about clicks. It is about keeping viewers watching. One video with 10,000 views but 30 seconds of watch time won't get you far. But one video with 2,000 views and an average watch time of 6 minutes, that is a gold mine, man. And here is how I was able to improve my audience retention. First of all, hook the viewers. I started, my video started hooking my viewers in the first 30 seconds. That's one thing I noticed. So I stopped opening my videos with boring intros. Sometimes I'll be like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel or more. I stopped all of those things. And I started with bold promises, telling them stories that touches and all of that. So that is it. And the next thing is what? I removed the fluff. I cut out fillers, words, and long pauses. You understand? Every second needs to deliver values in your videos. So if you're missing out on that, you need to really, really improve. So also, I use curiosity gaps. Yes. For example, sometimes in my videos, I'll be like, later in this video, I'm going to reveal or share more stories that you will never miss. You understand all those type of things. So these were the things I started putting into practice in my channel, and everything started working out. Then also, I engage mid-video. You understand? Around the 3 minutes mark, I do ask my viewers, are you still watching? If you are, drop a comment if you love this story or not. And I will reply personally. And this created a connection between me and my audience. So you see the result. My average watch time went from let's keep going, Sha. So because YouTube saw that people were watching longer, the algorithm pushed my video further. And that's my retention graph showing off points and all of that. Then step number 3 is the consistency and upload schedule. Yes, consistency and upload schedule. Now let's address the myths. You understand? Do I need to upload every single day to grow? These are the questions that I ask myself sometimes. And the answer is absolutely no. You mustn't upload every day. What is the essence? What is the need of you uploading every day? Yet the videos you are uploading is not making sense. You understand? So what you need is consistency. This is the only thing that can really, really sustain you on this app. Okay. So at first I uploaded randomly 3 videos in a week. In fact, there was a time I used to upload every day. Like in the 7 days of the week, I upload 7 videos straight away. You understand? And at the end, nothing for, you understand, like it was as if I was just pouring water on the stone. So my audience never knew when to expect me, and YouTube didn't know either. So the moment I stopped uploading daily, I started scheduling my videos twice. Like every 2 days, I will upload. Every 2 days, I upload and all of that. And then YouTube started noticing it as well. And they started pushing my videos out. So the change happened when I committed to 4 videos, 3 videos a week. Not 3, you understand? Not 2 or 1. Just 4 or 3. But sometimes in a week, depending as the spirit lead, I can upload 2. But then I try in as much as possible to upload that 4 times in a week, sometimes 3 times in a week. So that is it. And I chose days that worked for me. I normally upload my videos in my 2 channels. I upload my videos Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. These are the days I upload my videos. Now, why does this matter? Your audience builds a habit, yes, and YouTube learns your pattern and can recommend your content better. So, in order for you to avoid burnout. Then also, I started batching videos. I do record 3 to 4 or 5 videos in a sitting, then edit and schedule them. That way, even if life got busy, my channel stay alive. So consistency beats intensity. Upload at a pace you can keep up with for at least 6 months straight, and you will see the magic start happening. Then I also leverage on playlist and SEO. Here is a game changer, guys. You see playlist. Playlist is a game changer. If you are still sitting on this playlist, you are not utilizing it. I don't know what you are doing here. Now, most more YouTubers ignore playlists, yes, but they are powerful. And playlists keep people watching your content back to back. which skyrocket watch hours as well. So here is what I do, or what I did in my own channel. I group my videos into categories. Yes, I group them. I optimize playlist titles with keywords instead of calling it maybe, giving it any random distant titles. No. So, and I also link my playlist in my end screens and pin commenting. Yes, I do all of those things. And the result, people didn't just watch one video. They binged multiple. And on top of that, I focus on SEO first also. Your SEO, search engine optimization. So keywords in my titles, I make it short. And also keywords in my descriptions, my tags, the natural phrases spoken in the videos, and all of that. Sometimes I add a subtitle, sometimes I don't add. So depending. Then also, I noticed that this SEO brought me traffic from search. Yes, optimizing my video also brought me traffic from search, while playlist kept my viewers watching. You understand? So that is just it. Then the next thing is what? Another step you also need to put into consideration is what? Smart promotion without spamming. Now, promotion is tricky. Many beginners think sharing links everywhere will help. Guys, I tried that when I started YouTube early and it backfired on me. No be person tell me, say, make I stop sharing my link. So I tried spamming links, sometimes even on Facebook groups, and the result, 0 watch hours, and they banned from some groups safe. At a point, I lost one of my channel. That's a story for another day. So what worked instead was the strategic promotion. You understand? I joined groups. I joined WhatsApp. I join WhatsApp communities and all of that. And also, I utilize my YouTube shorts. You understand? Yes, I use at least 30 to 60 seconds clip as a teaser out of my video. You understand? Then also, comments. I also engage on my, other content creators, small, especially growing up creators. I always collaborate with them. Some of us have this mindset to always go for bigger content creators who doesn't even care about you. Start with your circle, and that was what I did. You understand? So that is it. Sometimes I go to comments on on small channels and bigger channels, and I'll be like, check my channel. I do leave thoughtful comments, and people naturally clicked under my profile, and some even became long-term viewers and all of that. So that is that. Then the sixth step is what? Learning from the analytics. Now, you can't grow what you don't measure. For some months, I tried to, ignore that analytics. Then I realized that YouTube Studio is like a cheat sheet. And here is how I do it, or how I use my audience retention graph. Sometimes it passed a big message. It told me where people are dropping off on my channel. And I noticed that viewers left when I rambled on intros. So I tried to fix that aspect. Then also, traffic source showed what worked. And when I saw that search brought 40% of my viewers, I doubled down on my search engine optimization. So that is just that. Then the next thing is what? My click-through rate. That is, my thumbnails had like, I think it's at some point started showing me 2%. You understand? 2% at first. And then sometimes when I try to redesign my thumbnail, by giving it bold text, bright color, simple background, my click-through rates went up to 6%, and my viewers, sometimes it double, sometimes it flop off, sometimes, as the algorithm can be sometimes. Then also, analytics stopped me from guessing. So instead of me asking, why isn't my channel growing, I ask, what does the data say? Do you understand? So all these things, if you put them into consideration, trust me, a lot of things will start changing in your channel. Now, these are the mistakes that I'm going to tell you to avoid. Now, before I wrap it up, let me save your months of frustration with the mistake I made. First, uploading random content. It didn't help me at all. Then also, ignoring my thumbnails. That was so bad of me. And chasing trends blindly, I do that a lot, and I saw that it didn't give me any gain at all. And then also not asking for binge watching. Guys, all these things are not really it. So that's my journey to my 2,000 watch hours. It wasn't about luck or going viral. It was about strategy, choosing the right content, and also improving retention. Then staying consistent, using playlists, promotion smartly, and learning from the analytics. So if you're on this journey, I want you to comment below. I'm chasing watch hours, and I'll do clear you on personally. Don't stop here. Watch my full playlist on my monetization. Sometimes that is coming anyway. So I'm going to round it up from here. Remember, if I could do it, you too can. So keep creating, stay consistent, and your 2,000 watch hours will come faster than you think. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video.